Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Intersecting Lines worksheet. So this video gives a worksheet where we can practice drawing some lines on the number plane and we can find out their point of intersection. That means where they meet. So there is a lesson on this. We've had a lesson. So if you're not sure how to go about this, on the next slide there is a link. Just click on the link and that will take you directly to the lesson. And it will explain how to do all the examples. Now very briefly, we're asked to draw each of the following lines on a number plane and find out where they intersect. Now what the lesson taught us was, I'll just do it here, it taught us to do a table for each line. Okay, a simple table like that, where we had an x value and where we had a y value. And we put some numbers here in the x, and then we worked out what y was. And we did that for each line. So if we took, say, this example first, we put some x values here, then we worked out the y values for that equation. Then we did a separate table for this one. After that, what happened then was that we had our number plane, like that, and we're asked to draw each of the lines, each of those lines there, and then we find out where they meet. Okay? So that's really all we had to do. Now the point of intersection, for example, if you had, I won't draw the lines on the number plane, but just say, for example, here are your two lines. That is their point of intersection. And you can read that off the number planes. Quite easy to do. So it's exactly the same for each and every example. The important thing to do is to plot the points accurately. So I suggest 3 points, because that will make sure that you have a straight line. Make sure they're plotted very accurately, and that way you can find a very, very accurate answer for where the two lines meet. So this video, this worksheet, has given us some practice in drawing two lines on a number plane and finding their point of intersection or where they meet.